today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sprints in ClickUp, a tool designed to help you streamline your project management processes. Whether you're part of a creative team, an agile project manager, or just someone looking to better organize your work, this step-by-step guide will show you how to utilize sprints for maximum efficiency. First, let's start by heading over to ClickUp. Open up your favorite web browser and navigate to ClickUp's website. Once you've reached the homepage, you'll want to log in if you haven't already. Now that you're in, it's time to customize your settings to make the most out of sprints. Next, click on your profile icon found typically in the top right corner of the screen, and then proceed to select Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll be able to access a plethora of customization options that can tailor ClickUp to your specific needs. As you scroll through the options, search for the section labeled Spaces. Spaces are an essential part of ClickUp as they allow you to create distinct areas for different projects or teams. In this section, look for an area marked as ClickApps. ClickApps are essentially helpful add-ons that can enhance and expand the capabilities of your spaces. One of these is called Sprints. Notice the arrow button next to it? Give that a click and make sure it's turned on. Clicking this will expand the options available for sprints and allow you to begin customizing how you want sprints to be implemented for your workflow. Now that you've clicked Sprints, go ahead and select Default Settings. This section is crucial for managing how your sprint functionality will operate. Sprints in ClickUp allow teams to divide work into time-boxed periods, which is instrumental for managing tasks in iterative cycles. Here, you'll be able to establish your sprint cycles and customize their length and frequency to fit the nature of your project tasks. After you've configured these default settings to your satisfaction, don't forget to click Save. This crucial step ensures that all the customization and effort you've invested into setting up your sprints are preserved. And just like that, you're done. So, by following these simple steps, you've integrated the power of sprints into your ClickUp workspace, optimally positioning your team for enhanced productivity and improved project management. As you move forward, ensure to regularly review and adapt your sprint configurations to meet your evolving project needs. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.